Alright, this is my hotel room. It is, like I said, it's a little smaller than what my bourgeois ass is used to when I'm traveling for the company. But truly, I just need to really shut the fuck up. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the most bizarre feature ever. So we're coming into the bathroom now, right? Pretty standard, typical, really exciting. There's the tub. Now check this shit out. Da-na-na. Can't you just hear the quarters being plunked in as you do a striptease? Oh my god, look at that. So, I find this completely bizarre. Like, tub, bedroom, like totally, shaking boobies out the window, whatever you want to do. It's kind of crazy.